Right, we got this little DigiShark indoor-outdoor aerial. So little garden room, converted our garage for girls when they're having a parties, friends coming around. It's like a little self-contained garden room. And it's got TV, but no aerial. So let's see. Searched internet and this was well, it's empty as one reasonable solution. It comes as the main aerial part. It must go inside. Instructions, fair bit of cable, a bracket, some cable clips. Instruction, cable clips, and what's that? Oh right, that's a power unit for the little amplifier bit. Okay, fair enough. So let's read instruction. Yeah, aerial on the pole, connected to back of whatever TV you got. Adjustment receiving, you can go horizontal, vertical, spin it around. Job done. Yeah, let's do it. Right, the aerial is temporarily put on the top of the batten, just on the edge of the flat roof. Cable comes in, connects in the back of the amplifier, amplifier in the back of the TV, and to the power supply. And we have something. It's coming on, but it is signal is not very good. There's quite a bit of distortion there, as you can see. So I'm quite confident if I raise that aerial another meter or meter and a half above the roof, it will be better. God, that looks tasty. God. Right, so let's get on with it. Final installation above the roof. 3 Jubilee clips to hold it. Cable to the wall. Into the boxing. And then down the boxing on the back of the TV. And there you go. A little blue people can be watched.
Get a free Arlo video doorbell.
Wow, that's...
Or is that an exaggeration?
let me try Quest. Because usually Quest is hard to get here in this area. Down in Bognor. Right, Quest is not good, but that's with any aerial down here. It's very hard to get good signal on Quest. So, DigiShark, Model Shark 1 outdoor antenna. Thumbs up, I like it. Easy to install, so simple, plug and play. Took me half an hour. Kids are gonna be happy. Thank you guys for watching. If you're happy, thumbs up and all the best.